Fold one taro purple pipe cleaner in half. Twist at 4.5 centimeters where the two sides cross. Curve both sides slightly. Thread one end through the center. And place the other on top. Twist the two ends together. Keep one stem and trim the others. Shape the petal curve. Make 5 petals total. Fold 3 light yellow stamens in half. Use half a light periwinkle pipe cleaner to secure the center. Use elastic thread to attach the 5 petals around the center. Keep one pipe cleaner as the stem and trim the rest. Wrap the stem with light green floral tape. Make 2 flowers total. Bend one taro purple pipe cleaner at 4 centimeters. Leave 0.5 centimeters on the short end and twist tightly. Form 4 identical petals. Curve them slightly inward. Wrap the stem with light green floral tape. Make 2 buds total. Take one olive green pipe cleaner. Wrap about 4 centimeters of the top with floral tape. Attach the 2 buds first, spaced about 4 to 4.5 centimeters apart. Then attach the 2 flowers below. Fold another olive green pipe cleaner in half and connect it to extend the stem. Wrap the entire stem with floral tape.